Hi, this is Trisha, and we've got another unboxing. This is the V-Razr Bluetooth sports headset from VicSing. Let's have a look. Okay, in the box. Ooh, oh, they're big. Well, for buds. Let's have a look. Okay. I love this cardboard. So much nicer than cutting your fingers on clamshells all the time. And there we are. One headset. They seem to be getting big on putting their own logo on things at the moment. Charging port, buttons. Okay. They'll need testing out for a few days before I can review them. What else have we got? Yeah, nice carry case. That's useful. User manual. Extra earbuds of different sizes. And a USB to micro USB charging cable. Well, everything looks in order. I'll see you in a few days for the review.